My name is Saiasmi Gupta. I am 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it. If you don't, then also comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that notification bell beside it if you have not done it. So today's topic, as you must be knowing, is Python. And topic name is lists. Lists is a really big topic in Python, and it has many parts. So we will be meeting very soon because of lists, like every day. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah. There. Okay, 1 second though. Okay, Python list. My list: apple, banana, and cherry. So this is how we make lists in Python. Okay, you give a variable, and then you write equals to, and then you give square brackets, and then write item 1, item 2, item 3. Now lists are made using square brackets. Okay. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So it's saying that list is a thing like you have in one variable only, just one variable, I can write many values. Okay. Lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are tuple, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Okay. List is one of our 4 built-in data types in Python. Okay. And the other 3 are tuple, set, and dictionary. And all of them have different qualities and usage. Lists are created using square brackets. I told you in just the starting right now only, right? This is how we create a list. This is how a list looks like. And when you say print this list, see, this will happen. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. Now, what are ordered, what are changeable, and what are allow duplicate value? We'll scroll a bit down and you will just get to know in this chapter only. Okay. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1, and etc. Now in the list, the item number 1, this over here in the list, item number 1 is apple and its index is 0. The second item in the list is banana and its index is 1, and third item in the list is cherry and its item is index is 2. So, and etc. Yeah. Now, here's the meaning of ordered. See what is ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. Okay, so in list there is a defined order of and that order will never change. Like if you add something in a list, it will add it in the last. If like you add after cherry, mm, blueberry. Then it will add it in the last. It will not add it in like before banana or like mm, before cherry or before apple, right? It has a defined order, but they are. Mm, This is what it's saying. If you add a new items to a list, the new items will be placed at the end of the list. I told you this right now only. Note, there are some list methods that will change the order, but in general, the order of the items will not change. So it's saying there are some list methods which will change the order, but common uh, the order of the items will not change. Okay. Now, second was over here, hmm, changeable. So now let's see what's the meaning of changeable. Here, the list the list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Changeable is basically like you are changing the order, like, and you're adding and removing items from the list after it has been created. So that means changeable. Okay. Allow duplicates. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with same values. Duplicate values means like duplicate basically means allow duplicate means that in a list you can write that word 2 or 3 times. Like in this list, see, there's a value, and then you made a list, and here apple are coming 2 times, right? But it will not bring an error. See. Mhm. List length. Now, who will tell me what is length? Did I tell you about length before? Correct, my guy. I have told you what is length before as well. Okay, so list length. To determine how many items a list has, use the length function. Here, if I want to see how many items they are in a list, and you don't want to waste your time like just counting like 1, 2, 3, do like you write this list and apple and banana and cherry and whatever, and then you say print length is list. Now, how many items are there in this list? There are 3. 1, 2, and 3. So, I just told you the answer. What is the answer then? No, not 2. Not as 4. It will not be 4 as well. That girl is correct. It will be 3. Very good. Okay. Now, list items. Data types. List items can be any of any data type. Like in list, you can write of any data type. Like you can write string values, you can write boolean, you can write int, and yeah, string, int, and boolean in data types. But over here, you see in list 1, there are all string values. In list 2, there are only all int values. And in list 3, there are only boolean and booleans, right? But there must be a question coming in your mind. Like, can we write it in just like one list? You have given like here apple, then comma, 1, then comma, true, then comma, false, then comma, cherry, and so on. So yes, my dear guys, you can do it. A list can contain different data types. A list with strings, integers and boolean values. See? We can do it. It will not bring an error. See? This must be too clear, right? So let's move on. Type. I have also told you the type. What is type? Type tells that in the variable's value, what data type's value is it? Is it an int? Is it a string? Is it an boolean or what? Now list data type will be data type of a list will be list only. Okay? So type. From Python's perspective, lists are defined as objects with the data type list. What is data type of list? I told you right now. Class list. Correct. The type of list is list only. Let's move on. Any doubt, guys? I can't hear. Then no doubts, I think so. Anyways, still any doubts? Just comment me down below just right now. So the list constructor is like our advanced levels and you will not understand them right now, so we'll leave list constructor and let's go on. I think collections, areas, arrays, sorry, not areas, arrays, sorry. There are 4 collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allow duplicate members. So list is in which it is ordered, it is changeable. It also allows duplicate members. But in tuple, they are ordered and they also allow duplicate members. But the difference between list and tuple is that lists are changeable, okay, and tuples are not changeable, okay. Now set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed, no duplicate members. Now list is really different from list and tuple. It doesn't allow unordered and tuple, and list allows ordered. Okay. Now it sets does not allow unindexed, but list and tuple do. And list and tuple allow duplicate members, but set does not. Now, what is here that dictionary is type of same, just a bit differences in that, and the difference is dictionary is unordered. Okay, that's the same, but set is unindexed, but dictionary can be changeable. But set and dictionary both do not allow duplicate members. Okay? So, when choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of the data type of that type. Okay? Choosing the right type for a particular data set could mean retention of meaning, and it could mean an increase in efficiency or security. Oh, this was part 1 of lists. See here, too many chapters of lists. See, we have done first part of lists. Now let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 parts are left. We'll meet soon, guys. This was part 1. And I hope you liked the video. Okay? Wait. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if any doubt, if you liked it, and subscribe if you have not, and press that notification bell as well. And I hope you liked the video once again. Stay safe, stay at home, and stay healthy. Ooh. I'm feeling a bit thirsty. Let me drink some water first. That's better. Okay guys, thank you if you watched the video. Bye! See you soon in my next Python, piano or guitar video. If we will be meeting in a next Python video only, it will be part 2. So yeah, bye!